Hey guys, so it's the Craftsmanmobile. This is my setup for Halloween last night. I had my Craftsman gear on, had my trusty Craftsman homemade non-weapon. I can clean your gutters, I can mop, change your filter, vacuum, throw a few poppets for distraction. I got dual headlamps. Yeah, I got it all going on. Yeah, my utility tool belt down there. And just to show that this is not just a costume, I was handy today. Went to IKEA, which takes a real man anyway. And I just built me this thingamabob, a naglig. And then we need a new floor lamp. So I got the hectare. Yeah, hectare is also about how far I walked, which is good exercise. It got me some picture frames, insulated bag, got me some Sour Viking candy, a couple raspberry candles with holders and cool on-off thing, and another gray thing, and then for the picture hanger, a couple of funnels. Yeah, and so I combined it because my doctor, my spinal doctor, was right near there at Valley Med. So yeah, so I brought my stuff, and while I was waiting, I did this. I put his name there and my name there from the bag. That's why that hole is in the bag. I tore it out. I did that real quick in the waiting room. And so here you got the I've got your back, bro. Sure, he got such a big kick out of it. He had his assistant come back in, and we got a picture together. He's like, I gotta show my family, this is hilarious. So, you know me, always going for the joke. So, beautiful day in Seattle once again. Don't come to Seattle, don't move to Seattle. Pretend it always rains and is dark. But I was in a t-shirt until a few minutes ago. And here's the chimes. And boy, look how those reeds are just drying out. And so, happy day after Halloweeny. I think they call it All Saints Day. I'm out.